Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Christine and I just thought I'd show you my last minute Amazon haul before those prices go up with the fuel surcharge. So I picked up some paper products and a few cleaning supplies and such. And we do have Sam's Club membership, but our drive, now that the gas prices here where I'm at are almost $5 a gallon, it definitely makes a difference. We do use probably about 1.5 gallons or so, at least, depending on who's driving, of gas as we head over to Sam's Club. So I just thought I would get last minute things before we head out, and then that way I know I have them for next season. So I just got toilet paper, paper towels, some smaller paper plates, dishwasher detergent, actual just pods, some actual dish soap, and then some disinfectant wipes. So I just thought I'd share with you what we paid for that and then kind of what we saved. So Amazon, so we spent $141.69 on everything. And actually I ended up getting the soap for free because one of them ended up spilling out, and I complained about it, and then they ended up refunding it. So we didn't really actually spend as much as that. But on the Presto detergent packs, these are just kind of a generic of like a Tide pod. We ended up saved almost like $6.50 from Sam's Club and almost $9.50 from Walmart. Walmart is our closest bigger store here, and then we do have an actual grocery store like Fry's grocery store. I didn't do the price comparisons because we normally would buy something like this at Sam's Club. So we did save that on the laundry packs. And then this was the one I was most surprised about. It actually was on sale on Amazon, the 94 tabs of the Finish Deep Clean. It's just those tablets that you can put in your dishwasher. And I like to have one more. So right now we're about halfway done with the bucket of tabs that I got last time, and I don't have a replacement for that when we run out. So I just thought I'd grab these, and then this way I know next year when we come back that I'll have it. So yeah, so this one was $14.99 for the 94 count. And from Sam's Club, we saved $7-ish, so $7.05. But Walmart, the price of this was kind of crazy. So we actually saved $18.46. So literally for the exact same thing there, it would have been $30.10. So we ended up saving quite a bit on that. So I was really happy with that. And then the disinfectant wipes, you can pick these up pretty cheaply. I know Sam's Club always has them, but the deal with Sam's Club so like I said, it's 34 miles roughly back and forth to get to Sam's Club from here to home, plus the gas price, plus the tax here is crazy. It's 8.8% or something. So, you know, tag that in there too for savings. So for these, the disinfectant wipes are 75 each, which is pretty common. So from Sam's Club, we saved $4, and then Walmart, we saved about $2.50. So not too big of a savings. But just, you know, the drive, hour there, hour back, going in the store and then buying things that you don't need. You know how that goes. Like, you know, running to Target for one thing and then coming out, you know, with your cart full. I don't necessarily do that, but I know a few people that do. You know, speaking of my daughter. So, yeah, so that was a pretty decent savings on that. And then, like I said, this was a 2-pack, so the antibacterial and the regular dish soap. So from Sam's Club, I could have saved $1.38 if I did purchase these at Sam's Club, so that was a negative. But then Walmart, we saved $2.35. But like I said, this one kind of exploded a little bit, and then I just asked them if they could replace it, and they ended up refunding it. So we paid $14.56, and that's what they refunded back to my card. So, and I'll leave the list of everything on kind of exact amounts and such down in the description below. All right, and then next, paper towels. So this is just the Amazon Basics brand, which normally is the Presto brand. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if they're just trying to use up the way that this is branded, but it was on sale. And so this is, we paid $18.74 for both of these, and we still save. So the Walmart Good Value brand, which is their generic, and then the Sam's Club Members Mark generic. So Sam's, we saved $4.93, and Walmart, we saved $1.36. So, you know, and that includes gas, tax, everything. So that's what we saved on those. And then the toilet paper too. So the toilet paper, this is 3-ply toilet paper, and we normally do buy the 2-ply, but this one was on sale for $19.99. It's normally like $22 or $23. So, but I calculated it out per sheet, and you actually, we got like 7% more sheets buying it this way through Amazon. So again, so Walmart, the only 3-ply that they had was the Quilted Northern, which is, you know, kind of a premium brand. That was $20.98 plus tax, etc. It came out to $23.13. So we saved $3.14. And then Sam's, the Members Mark brand, which is only 2-ply, which is, you know, no big deal. But that ended up to be, with gas, tax, $26.39. So yeah, we ended up saving a decent amount. And then last but not least, we've got these back here. I already stocked up on the regular size plates, and I know it'll be a couple years before, you know, at least a couple years before we go through all these, but I just like to have these on hand. You know, if the power goes out, you don't want to waste the water that you have washing dishes, etc. So having some paper products around is not a bad thing. And this was like the best way to buy them in the big bulk. So these are 7-inch plates, so the little bit smaller of ones, and we paid $36.07 for those. And then the Walmart Good Value brand, which is, you know, this is their generic brand, again, the Encore. And Encore Presto and Amazon Basics is kind of their generic. So Walmart Good Value, it ended up to be, for the same type of amount, it ended up being $41.43. And then the Members Mark ended up to be $37.29. So not a huge savings, but again, it's the time, it's the gas, it's the tax, everything. So yeah, so that was my very last haul. We leave in a few days. So I am gonna get this stuff put away. It's been sitting here for a day or so, getting ready for my video. So I'm gonna get that put away, and then I'll list everything. And I appreciate you stopping by my little channel. And if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe button. And I'm gonna get to getting. So I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. Hi friends, welcome back to, where am I? Oh boy. Friends, welcome back to, Kibble, don't chew on that cord.